Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about when is the best time to upload your YouTube videos. I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks, going to be teaching you some of the stuff that I do. Let's jump right into this. So I will start off by saying there is no actual just fixed time on what's best. Each channel is going to be different depending on where your audience is, depending on the type of content you have. So we're going to be looking specifically at your channel, and there will be a little bit of trial and error involved in this to find out what the best time for you is. However, I am going to be guiding you in the right direction and teaching you some tips and tricks you can use. So one of the first things I'm going to recommend you doing is opening up YouTube, and what we're going to be doing is clicking on our channel icon on the top right, and we're going to be coming to our YouTube studio. Once our YouTube studio opens up, we're going to get a lot more information about our channel, our views, and we're going to be able to identify what time our videos are actually being viewed. So once your studio opens up, what we're going to be doing is coming to the analytics on the left, and then here on the right we're going to see some nice information about our real-time views, and what we can actually see is a graph here mapped out of our last 48 hours, giving us an hour range and how many views we get in each hour. So in this case, for my videos, you can see we have a nice kind of graph and spike here. So somewhere between 6 to 7, and 7 to 8 p.m. Belgium time is when I start to get the most views. So what I'm going to try to do is upload my videos around this time to get the most impact for my new videos, so I have the most chance of new people seeing my new videos. So what I'd recommend you guys doing is come to your analytics, taking a look at your real-time view graph over a week, maybe 2 weeks even, and take a look at it every couple of days to see when the most views you actually get are. In my case, it is around that time every 2 days, so you can see it's around 6 to 7 p.m. here as well, and 6 to 7 p.m. here as well is when I get the most views, and you can kind of see a consistent graph there that kind of dips at that time every day. So that's when I want to actually try to deliver my videos to these people. So this is going to maximize the potential for new videos when I upload to actually reach these people who are watching my videos. Now if you have more of a newer channel, you don't actually have these statistics to look at, so that's a little bit different, and what I'd recommend doing is just experiment. The second thing we're going to be going to is your analytics again, and we're going to be looking for where people actually watch and view your videos. In this case, we can stay where we are under the channel analytics, but we're going to be coming to the audience tab right here, and here we can see a lot of information about our unique viewers, our watch time, our age and gender. But what we're going to be looking for here is the top countries, and here we're going to see information on where people actually watch our videos. In this case, I do have one big outlier in terms of country, which is the United States, which gives me around 25% of my views, which is a big chunk. So I usually try to upload my videos around daytime in America. So typically I'll upload my videos now at the moment around 7 p.m. Belgium time, 6 p.m. UK, and around 12 o'clock in America. So as people start to get up and be available to watch videos during the day, I have my videos live for then. So I have two key statistics to look at when people are watching my videos. One is when people are actually watching my videos, what time they're watching, and second is where they're actually watching from. So these are the two main things you can look at and actually use to see when people are watching your videos, and then experiment around this time. And this brings me to the last big point, is to experiment. This will help give you a guideline and a benchmark. For me, I've used 7 p.m. for a long time and I've seen the best results. I am starting to experiment with the formula a little bit more now to try to do a little bit earlier, a little bit sooner, and sometimes even the type of video you upload can affect it. So you may notice, for example, your Fortnite videos get more views at 4 o'clock, whereas your vlog videos get more videos if you upload them at 6. This is a little bit of experimentation you need to do with your channel. So next thing you need to keep in mind is consistency. So it's also important to let people know when they can actually come back to see your videos. So this is something that can also play a factor, not just when your videos are being viewed, but also when you can actually upload videos so they know to come back just for that. And it's really important just to have fun with this and see what works best for you. Anyway guys, that's been my tips and tricks for the best time to upload your videos to YouTube. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.